Okay, I'm back at the controls now, and yeah, the first thing we want to do is we want to hit the system hard key. It's right here. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to press the plus key or right arrow 3 times, and that's going to bring up PMM. We're going to hit the PMM. In this case, we only got 1 spindle on this machine, so we're going to leave this at group 2, and we're going to hit the system soft key right here. And that's going to bring up param. And we're going to bring up param. Or should, okay. And we're going to go down to number 11. And what we need to do is we're going to change this last number to a 1. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3. We're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That should be 6 there. And then a 1. And we're going to hit the input, and now you see it's changed to 1. So now basically all we need to do is go back out on the system, and I need to go ahead and open them valves back up. I'll open those valves and show you the rest. But basically we just need to open that valve so that the carousel comes back out, and take the spindle back up. Put them back in automatic mode, which will be up and down.